Imagine hiccuping for 68 years straight. That's exactly what Charles Osborne did. From 1922 to 1990, this American man experienced an unstoppable hiccuping streak that lasted nearly 7 decades. He estimated he hiccuped around 20 times a minute, totaling over 430 million hiccups. Despite the challenge, Osborne lived a full life, even getting married and raising a family. His record remains unbroken, a quirky testament to human endurance. Just think about it, 68 years of hiccups. Now, that's a hiccup story for the ages.